Today we are going to make some mango syrup and I'm going to use this for cocktails. Father's Day is coming along and I'm going to make a few drinks to share with you all that you can make for the husbands, the daddies. Alright, so let's go outside in the backyard and pick some freshly picked mango, and from what fell down overnight because we had a lot of rain, so a lot of mango was on the ground and I have a lot of mango on the tree. The mango that I prefer to eat are the full mango but not totally ripe, but they're really firm, slightly soft, again, but not overly ripe. I don't like an overly ripe mango and I don't like a soft mango. So that's why I'm feeling them, because most of them are full and ripe, but not that nice yellowy color. I don't like them that color. So I'm going to wash all of them properly now and remove all of the mango from the seed and put it to boil with the sugar. All of the ingredients would be in the description and I will also leave it in the comments. And I am going to let that boil down, and once it is boiled down, we're going to let that cool and we're going to place in a bottle. So if you want to see a cocktail that I made with this same mango syrup, it will be in the cards above and the end screen. And don't forget to check out my TikTok where I also do quick little videos. So now after it's cool, I'm going to just strain it and put it in a bottle and put it in the fridge and use it for my cocktails. It's as simple as that. You could even drink it as juice. All you would need to add is water because it's already sweetened. So you just add some water to it and you have a nice mango juice. So guys, I hope you enjoyed this very quick recipe, this quick demo on how to make a very fruity, flavorful mango syrup for your awesome fruity cocktails. The cocktails that I made was with some other fruit juices and some vodka, a flavored vodka. So as I said, head over when you're done watching this and go check out that cocktail video. All right, so you can also use this to make the pulp from this, because there would be a lot of pulp. I actually made a loaf, a mango loaf with it. So you see, I'm using everything, all of it. Nothing is being wasted.